Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Epic Games Launcher and import existing library, full guide step by step clearly. To install the Epic Games Launcher, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Epic Games website. Locate the download button on the home page. Click the button to start downloading the Epic Games Launcher installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to run it. If prompted, confirm any security warnings to proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After installation, launch the Epic Games Launcher by clicking its icon on the desktop or in your Applications folder. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. Enter your existing account credentials if you already have an Epic Games account. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new one and follow the registration steps. Once logged in, navigate to the Library section on the left side of the launcher. To import your existing game library, look for an option labeled Add Location or Import Library. Select this option and choose the folder where your Epic Games titles are installed. The launcher will scan the selected folder for any installed games. You might need to confirm your choice or allow the scanner to run. After the scanning process is complete, your existing games should appear in your library. You can now launch any games that you've imported directly from the library. With everything set up, enjoy your gaming experience with the Epic Games Launcher. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.